Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can fix the sidebar not showing issue in the Obsidian Notes application. So let us guide you through this. So guys, let me launch the Obsidian Notes app on my desktop computer, and as you can see there's no sidebar here to the left. Also, if I hover my mouse over the left edge of the screen, as you can see there's no sidebar popping up. So how can we fix this? If you have the same problem, guys, this is how you can fix it. So click into that gear icon at the bottom, navigate from the General tab to the Appearance tab, and here you will need to scroll down a bit to the interface settings. And here, guys, make sure that Show Ribbon is enabled, because that organizes and controls the vertical toolbar on the left hand side. If you accidentally disable it, guys, that is going to fix the issue. As you can see here, now the toolbar has been reinstated here so that you may navigate, for example, to the graph view here for your notes and access other features like creating new canvases and notes and so on and so forth, access folders, calendars. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.